We've all heard the news. NFTs have been going mainstream during the past year, but everybody has since forgot them once the crypto market went down and people started to lose interest in what was happening in the crypto and implicitly the NFT and blockchain industry. Sony is one of the biggest companies in the world, activating in pretty much every sector of the entertainment industry, from music and film to gaming. Everybody has gotta know what a PlayStation is, so I won't go into much detail on that, but to get a hold of the problem, keep in mind that the PlayStation is the most used device for gaming in the world. Now, with the emergence of crypto games, which spread a craze in the first part of 2021, the concept of NFTs as digital items in video games began to make its way into the mainstream, but up until now, no big company from the gaming industry had made any significant move towards the adoption of NFTs in mainstream gaming. But now, the word has got out that Sony is preparing to do so. A patent made public by Sony in November 2021 suggested the fact that a tech and entertainment giant is looking to integrate NFTs in their plans for the near future. A new patent by Sony suggests the company wants to rent NFTs to PlayStation 5 players and stream spectators. Specifically, the patent describes an interconnected system that gives users an offer to rent an NFT depicting artwork or an asset from popular PlayStation 5 games. This limited time offer will be displayed in the console's user interface with terms of ownership for a player or a spectator alike. The Sony patent system indicates that different prices for the NFTs will be offered to players and spectators respectively. Once the rental duration expires, the NFT will be returned to the market for others to rent or purchase. Gamers renting out NFTs to others on the market may profit from the transactions as well. The NFT market would be directly accessible from a PlayStation 5 console. By navigating the user interface. However, the patent itself focuses more on necessary systems and executables allowing players and stream spectators to rent NFTs on a console. Now, of course, this is very different from NFTs acting as in-game digital items, and the implementation of the type of NFTs we just described would represent only the first step in a long process of accommodating users with the new technology. Nevertheless, it would be a huge one given the insane number of gamers that use Sony's console in its gaming environment, and it would definitely pave the way for the mass adoption of NFTs into mainstream gaming. At the same time, another gaming giant, Konami, is developing its own NFT marketplace, and Sony might do the same, even though there's no clear proof towards this end. Along these two, however, most of the huge companies in the world are working on their own ways of adapting NFTs and integrating them into the future of their products and of the users, and some of it may actually shock you, so if you want to know more about it, you should go watch this video next.